Let's see how to sell USDT on Binance app with Express method. First, open the Binance app. This is the main page of the Binance application. On the bottom of the screen, tap on the trade icon. On the top right corner, you will see P2P option, so tap on it. This is the P2P page. From here, you can buy USDT from different sellers who are online and selling their USDT. If you tap on the sell button, you can find different buyers who are accepting to buy USDT and send you the amount on your payment method in exchange. By tapping on this icon, you can also apply some filters. From here, you can select different options to find the best trade for you. You can enter the amount in your local currency here. For example, I am entering 5,000 Pakistani rupees, so I can sell 5,000 Pakistani rupees worth of USDT. Leave the payment time limit section. In the payment method section, you can select multiple type of options. For example, I am selecting the bank transfer option. You can set these filters and then tap on the confirm button. Now, you can sell your USDT to these traders, but today, we will sell the USDT with another way. Tap on P2P on top of your screen and select Express. In the Express method, you can buy and sell, like on P2P. But in this way, you only have to enter the total amount of USDT that you want to sell, and Binance will automatically find the best trade for you. This method is very helpful. On the selling page, you can enter the total amount of USDT that you want to sell. And if you tap here, you can enter the amount in your local currency. For example, if I enter 5,000 Pakistani rupees, Binance will automatically sell 5,000 Pakistani rupees worth of USDT. But I will use the other way. After entering the amount, tap on Select Payment Method. From here, you have to select where you want to receive your payment by selecting the payment method. If you haven't already added any payment method, don't worry, you can easily add your payment method right from here. Just tap on Manage Payment Method. You can click on Add a New Payment Method button and enter the details of your receiving account. So let's move on and again tap on Select Payment Method. Expressway also suggests that which payment method has best offer with high price. So that's why you can add more than one payment methods, so whenever you are selling, you can choose the best price offering payment method. So now tap on the Preview Order button. Tap on Place Order. Our order has been placed. Now, the buyer will send the amount in your payment method address, and then mark your order as paid, and you will receive a notification, and a payment received button will appear on your screen. Before that, you can also chat with the buyer. I will just send my receiving account number and name, so he can send me the amount fast. You can send yours or leave it. You will get paid, but you will have to wait, because sometime the buyer is also buying from others. So that's why you can send your account number and name, so the buyer can copy it and send you your amount fast, or you can just leave this. Now, we will just have to wait for a bit. I have received the notification. The buyer has marked the order as paid. The payment received button has also appeared. Always verify and double check that you have received your amount by opening your account first. And after you verify, you can also demand the screenshot of the transaction from the buyer. Just tap on the Payment Received button after you have confirmed everything. After that, you will just have to enter your Binance account password for confirmation and security reasons.
Don't miss out on the latest tech revelations. Follow us on YouTube, Facebook, and more. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you're always in the know. Welcome to Tech Specs, your guide to discovering the full potential of technology. Let's explore the future together.